Zohran Mamdani responds to tough questions on property tax. First, take a look at this intense moment, and then we will discuss what exactly was said.
Protesters.
Jack?
Mr. President, I wanted to know one of the policies as well that Mayor-elect Mamdani talked a number of times about on the campaign was shifting the tax burden for property taxes from what he called minority communities to white-based communities and putting more taxes on white people. I also noticed that in your acceptance speech you didn't mention anything about America or Christians or white people in general, and so I didn't know if that was one of the policies that you guys had spoken about.
We focused on affordability. We focused on the cost of living crisis. What I will say is that I am very much interested in property tax reform because what we see right now in New York City is a system that is so inequitable that it can't even stand up in court. And the President and I spoke about the importance of not only building more housing, but also making sure that regulation of housing is something that is manageable to actually get through and not the cause of yet another weight that we see in our
But to
city.
be clear, you're continuing this idea of race-based property taxes.
No, to be very clear,
That's what you said.
no, the use of the term was a description of neighborhoods, not a description of intent.
So you intend to tax the whiter neighborhoods more?
No, we intend to create a fair property tax system because we want a New York City that is not only fair and equitable, but also one that every New Yorker can afford.
That was a very direct confrontation. Jack Posobiec pressed Zohran Mamdani on a controversial topic, asking if his tax plan targets specific neighborhoods based on race. Mamdani immediately said no to the intent. He clarified that his goal is to create a fair property tax system that is equitable for all of New York City rather than targeting anyone specifically. It was a sharp question and a very clear defense. What is your take on Mamdani's explanation? Does it make sense to you? Let me know in the comments below. For more political updates, hit like and subscribe to FameFlash.